Alright, everybody. So we're doing an update video on the Warlord Titan. So, not this last Saturday, but the Saturday before, I was showing the Titan off, right? And that's all that's left for the feet up to the waist. So needless to say, I'm going to have to reprint the whole bottom half of the figure. Not happy about it. But it's going to be a happy accident. And what I mean by that is I was putting it in a standing pose where it stood there. And I think this time I'm going to give it more of like it's walking. So the feet are going to be a little further apart. It's going to look like it's been taking a step. I know I said when I was going to do the next one, if I do a next one now, since I'm going to be doing this. And that's what you hear in the background is the printer going again on this particular build. But yeah, so I'm supposed to be getting stencils for it. I'm going to be putting the Punisher logo on a bunch of the different emblems and stuff on it. There's that. There's what else is there? I'm reprinting a bunch of the stuff. I'm going to be putting it in a walking stance. So this is going to become a really cool base, all said and done. Unfortunately, I don't know when it's going to be done now. I was kind of hoping to push through and get it done real quick, but no, it looks like we're probably going to be printing stuff out for at least 2 weeks, if it's anything, because I have four of the big pieces to do, 8 of the little toes, 2 of the feet pads. I have 7. I'll probably just reprint the little cylinders that support the legs. Let's see. Yeah, it's crazy how this is all going to end up turning out. But yeah, hopefully that's, just an update on what I'm doing. I will see you guys later. Bye.